Hey parents, graduation season is here. And whether your child is walking the stage or finishing a big chapter in life, it's a moment worth celebrating. Y'all know how much I love a good party, and this is one for the books. But planning a memorable party doesn't have to be expensive or stressful. In today's video, I'm sharing easy, smart tips to help you plan a stunning graduation celebration on a budget while making your graduate feel like a star. We're talking about creating a warm, inviting atmosphere where everyone feels celebrated, just like those family gatherings we all cherish. And if you're in the Tampa Bay area, stick around because I've got a local resource that can bring your dream party to life without breaking the bank. Think of it as your design partner, helping you create a celebration as unique and special as your graduate. All right, let's get down to business. Just like when we're tackling a fixer-upper, we gotta start with a solid foundation. And in the party planning world, that foundation is your budget. Let's start with the most important tip. Set your budget up front. This will guide every decision, from how many guests you invite to what food and decor you choose. Be realistic. A simple $500 party with 25 guests can be just as magical as a $5,000 bash if planned right. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but how much love and thought you put into it. You can create a truly special day without breaking the bank. Pro tip: budget equals clarity plus less stress. Write it down, stick to it, and watch the magic happen without the stress. Now let's talk priorities. Create a list of must-haves like food, seating, and a photo area, and nice-to-haves like custom desserts or photo booths. This helps avoid last-minute overspending and keeps you focused on what truly matters. Celebrating your grad. It's like choosing the heart of your fixer-upper first, then adding those special touches that make it shine. Next up, let's talk about setting the mood with color. Just like a fresh coat of paint can transform a room, the right color scheme can elevate your entire party. Next, pick a simple but stunning color theme. Black and gold is classic and screams graduate, but you can also incorporate school colors or your grad's personal style. Think about what reflects their personality and makes them feel celebrated. Imagine a beautiful tablescape with black linens, gold cutlery, and pops of your grad's favorite color in the flowers. Or if they're more vibrant and bold, go for a mix of their school colors in the balloons and streamers. A consistent theme makes even the most budget-friendly decor look cohesive and intentional. It's all about creating that wow factor without breaking the bank. And you know, I love a good DIY project, but sometimes it's nice to have a helping hand. At Event Elegance Rentals Tampa, we help families bring these visions to life affordably. With packages that match your colors and budget, we've got everything from linens and centerpieces to those gorgeous Chiavari chairs that add a touch of elegance, so you can relax and enjoy the planning process, knowing you're in good hands. Now, let's talk food. Everyone knows the way to a guest's heart is through their stomach, right? Feeding guests is one of the biggest expenses, but you don't need a caterer to throw a delicious party. Think about those big family gatherings we have at the farmhouse. It's all about good food, good company, and a whole lot of love, right? That's the vibe we're going for. A buffet table with sliders, wings, tacos, or a potluck where guests bring dishes can save hundreds. Imagine a big old spread of everyone's favorite dishes. It's personal, it's fun, and it's budget friendly. And don't forget about presentation. Just like we style those open shelves in our kitchens, we can style a food table to make it extra special, make it look great with risers, trays, and signage. Get creative with mason jars for drinks, rustic crates for displaying food, and chalkboard signs with fun messages. We offer stylish food display rentals like elegant trays and coolers to level up your presentation. It's all about those little details that make a big difference. You know, at the end of the day, it's not about the fancy decorations or the elaborate food. It's about creating an atmosphere of love and celebration for your graduate. And what better way to do that than by adding those special personal touches? Want to make it unforgettable? Add personal touches. Display photos of your grad from childhood to now. Create a tribute video or memory board where guests can leave messages. Imagine a cozy corner filled with framed photos of your graduate through the years. From those awkward middle school photos, we've all been there, to their proud graduation portraits. It's a visual journey of their accomplishments. Or set up a memory table where guests can leave heartfelt messages or funny anecdotes. These little notes will be treasured for years to come. It doesn't cost much, but it's the most talked about detail of the party. It's these personal touches that make your home feel warm and inviting, and it's the same for a party. These emotional moments make the celebration feel special and heartfelt, because at the heart of it all, that's what matters most, celebrating the special bond between family and friends. All right, let's talk about capturing those memories. Photos are everything. They freeze those fleeting moments of joy, laughter, and pride that you'll want to cherish forever. Instead of hiring a photographer, create a DIY photo booth with a balloon arch, themed backdrop, and props. It's fun, it's interactive, and it creates those Instagram-worthy shots that everyone loves. Think about what represents your graduate, their hobbies, their passions, their dreams. Maybe they're a bookworm who'd love a backdrop filled with vintage books and fairy lights, or perhaps they're a sports fanatic who'd get a kick out of posing with their favorite team's gear. We offer stunning balloon arches and custom backdrops in your grad's color scheme. From elegant floral designs to quirky themes, we can create a backdrop that reflects their unique personality. It's the perfect photo op and makes your party instantly Instagrammable on a budget. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite money-saving secrets, renting. You know how much I love finding hidden treasures at flea markets and giving them a new life? Well, renting is kind of like that. One mistake parents make: buying everything, from chairs and tables to centerpieces. These are things you likely won't use again. And let's be honest, who has a storage space for all that? Instead, rent what you need. You'll save money and get high-end items without the high-end price. It's like giving your party a touch of luxury without the hefty price tag. At Event Elegance Rentals Tampa, we offer everything from furniture to backdrops to balloon installs, all priced based on your budget. We've got those gorgeous Chiavari chairs, elegant linens, and unique centerpieces that will elevate your party to the next level. And the best part, you don't have to worry about storing it all afterwards. We take care of the delivery, setup, and take down so you can focus on what really matters, celebrating your graduate. Congratulations, parents. You're on your way to throwing a graduation party that's as unique and special as your graduate. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but the love, laughter, and memories you create together. If you're in the Tampa Bay area, we'd love to help you make your graduation party unforgettable. Event Elegance Rentals. Tampa specializes in custom, budget-friendly event decor tailored to your vision, timeline, and budget. We handle the stress from backyard parties to banquet hall blowouts so that You can enjoy the moment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with another parent planning a graduation, and subscribe for more event tips. Don't forget to tap the bell so you'll be notified when I post the next video. And if you're in Tampa, click the link below or call us today at 813-575-0272. Let's make your graduate feel like royalty without going broke. Until next time, bye.